This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 98 of building Kitt from Knight Rider. In this issue, we're starting on the back end, the tail lights. Looking at Night Song, episode 11. I again, no memory of it at all. It doesn't mean a thing to me. Obviously, lots of songs in it though. So feel free to read all of those words if you desire. It's about the episodes now. There we go. So yes, here we have what we're doing. Starting on the rear end, the rear end assembly. I've unplugged the bulbs, so I didn't need to bring this into our thing to the bench. So we'll get the bulbs plugged in, and that's pretty much it. Plugged in and taped up and then ready to go. I assume next time. I haven't got next time. This is the last of this month's delivery. But we'll look at RC3. Again, I'm going to read this to myself quietly off it. Not going to do it now. I know there's been talk of RC3 and I've got no memory of him at all. I shall vaguely remember after I've read it. So I'll have a read of that now and I shall see you for the building. Right, let's have a look. Right, here we go. We've got the grill that will go over the front. Not doing anything with that this time, but we do have the lights, the bulb assembly where they're going to go. We've got these short and long as well. So we're going to use the short one on this side. They basically just plug in. Same as all the other lights in everything else. They will go in there and push home nicely. There we go. That goes in there. And these obviously go in the other side. I'm not sure how much room there's going to be for these wires and plugs at the back. I've deliberately put them in so that they can be bent over in the direction that we're going to be going if we need to. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So that's going to go on there, and that's going to obviously illuminate. We've only got the two interior bulbs that are actually lit. The other ones are just fake. That's obviously then going to go over the top like so to diffuse it and make it look very nice indeed. I'm happy with how that goes. So this needs to be held in place with a few stickers. Basically, it's got one there, and one right on the end. So let's put those in place just to hold these wires. Or maybe hold these wires. I've not been having much success with the stickiness of these stickers. So we'll see. I mean, they're not structural as such. You just need to hold them in place while we're doing the building bits. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. One there. Like so, and the third and final one. I have to hold all of the wires. That last blob. And it might hold it in place. It might not. It might just get stuck to me. Apparently it sticks to me much better than it sticks to anything else. Me and itself. They're the two things that apparently it sticks to. Try that one more time. That one there, that one there. That'll do. That'll do for now. So these are ready to be plugged in again. And when it needs to be, I think that's going to have to be the top. So this is coming in this side, which is where it should be. See, look, even moving it around a little bit, it's come unstuck. So I shall put that aside for now. And that is the end of this month's deliveries. So thank you very much for joining me on this part of the build. I shall see you next time when I believe there's only two, and I think that's the end. I might be wrong, But yeah, I mean, this has obviously got to be fitted, and then the whole thing's got to be fitted together. So that's pretty much it as far as I can tell. So yeah, I'll see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.